When we are in an environment without pollution, the night sky looks like this, full of stars shining brightly. As we observe, we can quickly notice a trio of bright stars, aligned almost perfectly, known in many cultures as the Three Kings or Orion's Belt. Located in the heart of the Orion constellation, these stars have been the object of admiration, study, and reverence for millennia. But what makes the Three Kings so special? Let's take a trip there today to meet these fascinating stars of Orion's Belt. They are Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. Among them, Alnitak is often cited as the closest to Earth, approximately 736 light-years away. So let's go there first. With the speed of a modern manned rocket, we would travel at approximately 28,000 kilometers per h, and it would take us about 28,389,172 years to reach Alnitak. But you are not on just any rocket. You are aboard the spacecraft of Cosmic Quest, so we will get there very quickly. If you were on board when we made that trip to Andromeda, you know what I'm talking about. And here we are, in front of Alnitak. Alnitak is a massive star, classified as a blue supergiant, and is part of a multiple star system. It is known for its intense luminosity and bluish color, an indication of its high surface temperature, which can exceed 30,000 K. This temperature causes Alnitak to shine with a vibrant blue light, much hotter and more energetic than that of the Sun. As part of a star system, Alnitak is accompanied by its companion stars, adding complexity to its observation. We are before one of the most magnificent manifestations of star formation and evolution in the known universe. But let's continue, as we have much more to explore. The next stop is at the center of Orion's Belt, at the star Alnilam. Although both are blue supergiants of Orion's Belt, Alnilam is one of the brightest and most massive stars we know. Our view is even more intense due to its considerably greater luminosity and mass compared to Alnitak. Alnilam shines with an even more intense light and has a deeper blue color, a reflection of its extremely high surface temperature. This intensity would be accompanied by a stronger stellar wind, capable of shaping the interstellar medium around it in even more dramatic ways. As I move away from the dazzling presence of Alnilam and approach Mintaka, the third star of the emblematic Orion's Belt, the experience transforms in subtle but profoundly significant ways. Mintaka, unlike its brighter sisters Alnitak and Alnilam, is a multiple star, which already adds a layer of complexity to its observation and experience. I am now before Mintaka, and the spectacle is somewhat different. Although still a bright supergiant, Mintaka has a distinct nature, being a multiple star system. This characteristic brings a visual and astronomical dynamic not found in Alnitak or Alnilam. The gravitational dance of Mintaka's companion stars adds a fascinating movement and interaction. Here, surrounded by the darkness of space, Mintaka shines with a light that, while not as intensely blue as Alnilam or as dominant as Alnitak, carries a serene and complex beauty. Its position at the edge of Orion's Belt makes it a fundamental landmark, a closing point for the iconic alignment that has captured the imagination of sky observers for millennia. Let me tell you a bit about these stars as we return to Earth. They are aligned with an almost mystical precision, and have been the inspiration for countless stories throughout the ages. In different cultures, they have been given different names and meanings. To the ancient Egyptians, they pointed towards the pyramids of Giza, architectural wonders that reflected the grandeur of the cosmos on Earth. For the Greeks, they were associated with the mythical hunter Orion, and their arrangement in the sky told the story of his adventures and challenges. But beyond mythology, there is a fascinating science behind these stars. They are more than just bright points in the sky. They are distant suns, each with their own characteristics and mysteries. And, as technology advances, we continue to discover more about their composition, origin, and the role they play in the vast orchestra of the universe. When observing the Three Kings from Earth, we are, in fact, looking into the past. The light we see today began its journey hundreds of years ago, traveling through space until it reached our eyes. It is a direct connection to the cosmos, a bridge between the past and the present, between mythology and science. Moreover, the region around Orion is rich in nebulae, star clusters, and other astronomical wonders. The Orion Nebula, for example, is a stellar nursery, where new stars are being born from clouds of gas and dust. This journey through Orion's Belt illustrates the diversity and complexity of stellar phenomena. Each star, despite sharing a common classification as blue supergiants within the same constellation, exhibits unique characteristics and contributions to the cosmic tapestry. Alnitak, Al-Nalam and Mintaka serve not only as beacons within the night sky, but also as windows into the mechanisms of stellar evolution, from the forces shaping their formation to the intricate dance of gravity binding them in systems. Now that we've arrived on solid ground and finally at our sweet home, you need to go now and subscribe to the Cosmic Quest newsletter. It's there that you'll find your ticket for the next journey through the universe. And there, you can choose to receive updates inspired by the phases of the moon. Here's the deal. The first 300 people to sign up will enter our premium list, and the first 30 will also get an exclusive ebook. But hurry, because the number of subscribers for the promotion is almost reached. The link is in the pinned comment below.